Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders within the foreign exchange market, or just to help them understand financial charts. So that's you. You're definitely in the right place at the right time. Now, I do just want to give a special welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. You guys are awesome. You've been sharing the videos, you've been leaving me comments, and you've been enrolling for the course, which is awesome. So congratulations on y'all to taking the next steps in your journey. Now, if you want to join the club as well and become a student because you like the way I teach and you find that I make it easy, you can register for personal mentorship down below in my description box. Now, if you are a new subscriber or somebody who comes here often but hasn't quite subscribed yet, welcome back again, and make sure that you do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. I love engaging with you guys. I love hearing your comments, and I especially love when you become students and you start to get results quicker than you ever thought possible. But in today's quick video, we're going to be doing another trade breakdown. And again, this is just where I review the trades that I take, win, lose, or draw in the market every single week. So in today's quick video, we're going to be going over this GBP USD trade breakdown. And I posted this trade on May 7th, 2024, as you guys can tell from the screenshot here. Now, I did receive a comment on my YouTube about 2 weeks ago asking me, why don't I trade live so that everyone can be successful? But I would like to let you know that if you are a student in my course, I do live trade every Sunday at 6 p.m. EST, and that's actually where these trade ideas come from. I do try to post on TradingView at least once a week, but one of the perks of registering for my program is that you do get to learn and earn, and there are trade ideas being dropped consistently throughout the week. And let me just show you guys an example of that. So this is all from this week so far. Here are the trade ideas. So we have a Euro USD buy limit. We have a GBP USD buy limit. We have a GBP JPY buy limit. And then we can see these trades being updated in real time. GBP JPY hit TP1, GBP JPY hit TP2, GBP USD hit TP1, and it just continues to go. Here's another trade review that I did for this AUD CHF trade. We can see that it was triggered and TP1 was hit. I have a video on that as well. And now here we are reviewing this trade. So if you do want those perks and benefits, the best thing you can do is either learn to trade from my YouTube videos or other traders on YouTube, or simply register for mentorship if you want those benefits. Now back to the trade. So when I posted this trade, here are the notes that were on it. And here is what I noticed and why I decided to get into this trade for itself. Now, initially, we were in this trade as a group for a buy, and I just showed you guys TP1 was hit, but we noticed that a reversal was coming, so I decided to do a quick markup to show what I thought was going to happen next. So the first thing I actually noticed was this evening star pattern here. Now, if you're not familiar with candle patterns, lucky for you, I actually do have a playlist on candles, and I do have a video specifically on the evening star pattern. Now, if you are someone who still needs help understanding price action and candlesticks, then the Candlestick Trading Bible is a great resource. It's also something that comes with the course, or you can simply watch my videos. So I noticed that was happening, and with the evening star pattern, what you'll notice is that it's made up of 3 candles. There'll be a green candle, right, with a huge wick. There'll be a smaller green candle in the middle, and then the third red candle will overtake that, making it a bearish symbol. Now, again, there are a lot of typos on this video because or on this text, so I did do it quickly. So pay attention to me, but also pay attention to what it's saying here. The second thing I noticed was that you guys will also notice that in a lot of my videos, when the purple EMA crosses above the blue, that's usually a sell signal. We can see an example of that here. Versus when the blue crosses over the purple, that's a buy signal. So I saw that my blue was above, but the purple was about to cross. It hadn't quite made that move yet, which is what I did notate here. The purple EMA has not crossed above the blue EMA, but it is preparing to. And that would be the second confirmation for the selling trend, in addition to the evening star pattern. Now we can also look and we can see this supply or resistance zone here, where we see that price was rejecting going any higher. This was high, but this was lower and this was lower, and price kept pushing down. And if we even look at the previous candles of where it happened a few days or a couple of weeks prior, we can also see that lower highs were being made. Now, I did give my students 3 potential profit areas, 1.2 for a 764 because this was a previous low, 1.2 for a 306 because this was another low, and then a final low, and they could have gone even lower, was about 1.23398. Now, last confirmation I had was my stochastic. And again, if the stochastic is facing down, if it has crossed below this top dotted line, which is the 80 line, and if the orange line is above the blue, these are all sell confirmations, and we can see all of those things there. Now, just to put it into perspective, if my stochastic was facing up, if my blue line was above my orange line, and if it had crossed above the bottom dotted line, which is 20, we can see how the market would have been on an uptrend. So I had more than enough confirmations to enter this trade for a sell. So we're going to go ahead and go to, ooh, look at all these notes. We're going to go ahead and go to GU to see what actually happened. So I believe this was on a daily time frame. So everything balanced back out. I mean, as you can see, I updated my notes. We can see that the evening star pattern is still valid. It did confirm the sell. If we zoom in here, we can see that our purple EMA has officially crossed above the blue, giving us another strong sell signal. Our stochastic is still facing down, crossed below 80, and the orange is above the blue. And already, I didn't even have to rewind it because this is the daily chart. The market has hit TP1. Now let's see if we just make this a little smaller. Does it give us the low? Yeah, we can see the low here was 1.24676. And our TP was 1.2476. So it did go about 9 pips lower. The market does look like it's coming back up now. I think it'll come back up to the purple EMA and then maybe sell back down. Or it could continue the uptrend, but the market always has to retest before it actually takes off in the other direction. And I'm grateful that my students and I were able to profit off of both sides of the market this week, which is awesome. And one thing I love about trading in the foreign exchange market. So that's really all I have for you guys today. I wanted to come in and show you how this GBPUSD trade was working out for me and my mentees. And if you like to join the Money Club, again, I have all the information down below in my description box where you can register to have me as a personal mentor. And it's not just about me. It is actually a self-guided program that you can learn at your own time, learn at your own pace, and still get trade ideas weekly, and still have a live session every week, and still be able to engage with other traders and people who care about this just as much as you do. I know your family may not care, your friends may not care, but get you some rich friends, and I promise you it will change your whole perspective and trading experience. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comment box. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do so you never miss when I post a new video. But that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.